Hey, what's up, guys? So I just got my Morphe Smart Dehumidifier in the mail, so I figured I would just do a quick unboxing with you. So just start by cutting the tape open real quick here. Put the lid back. So there up top, see it has just a layer of foam. Pull that off. Carefully take that out. And another foam on the bottom. And then the dehumidifier comes wrapped in this plastic sleeve. So pull that out. And really quickly, I'll set this here and turn it so you can get a look all the way around it. It looks really nice. All right, so now you have the fill tank back here. I'll pull that out and see what we have in there. So there's the lid for the fill tank. See, it kind of just sits in there and has almost like a handle type design to make it easy to pull out. And then we have our drain tubing here. And inside we also have like a Q&A card and some precaution stuff on there. And then here's your Smart Dehumidifier operating manual. And then just a quick look at the tank here. It has this little plug here for your drain hose. Okay, so that's it, guys. Here's everything that it comes with so you can see it. Thanks.